Welcome back, pumpkinheads. It's another Buzz with your cuz. We're feeling a little fall today, so I changed up the colors. And what better thing to do than to celebrate with a little bit of pumpkin. Now, since I know you're here for the pumpkin spice Cheerios, no, that can't be it. Maybe it's the pumpkin spice Belvita limited edition 4 hours nutritious steady energy breakfast biscuits. Nope, probably not. This is a Buzz with your cuz. So we are going to Kentucky for some pumpkin barrel ale. This brewery is pretty unique in the fact that it's also a distillery. So if you go to the Lexington Distillery or All-Tech Brewing and Distilling, you can tour not only the beer side, but the distilling side also. And they do town branch bourbons and whiskeys and a few other brands. But very, very good tour. So we've been on it a couple of times. Lexington, Kentucky is a beautiful city. And I would highly recommend not just hanging out with the horses, but also checking out the distillery and the brewery here. 10% alcohol in this thing. So they weren't playing games. Now let's get this open. More Kentucky horse stuff. Right on the nose, pumpkin. And associated pie spices, pumpkin pie spices. Let's get it going here. Looks wonderful caramel color. Look at that. Heart of bourbon country. We have a beer, a pumpkin beer. I guess it's better than pumpkin bourbon. You definitely get that heavy vanilla bourbon barrel. Oh yeah, this is aged in oak, single-use bourbon barrels. So you can really get that scent and that flavor. It's good. So cinnamon, allspice, pecans, all of the things that you would normally associate with a pumpkin beer. And of course pumpkin, I think it's actually pumpkin butter and brown sugar, which sounds great. We have a couple of different hops in here. So there's Fogel's and East Kent Golding hops. IBU scale 16, so it's not very bitter at all. It's pretty much what you would expect from a bourbon barrel ale. I think the barrel aging for the beer starts really taking away a lot of that hop and bitterness. So there's a very faint hop scent aroma. It's more heavily on the spice or the pumpkin side. That's pretty good. I am not going to have this with cereal. I think this is the breakfast of champions. So this pumpkin season, double and triple down on pumpkins. This is a pretty good pumpkin beer. I wish I would have did this one last year, but that's what we have this year for. So don't forget, subscribe to the channel. Let me do a moment for our sponsors. I don't know if we have any. I don't think so. So anyway, thank you for watching. Comment below. Can you tolerate pumpkin beer, or are you more of just a carve 'em and pie 'em? We'll see you next week. Actually, you know what? While we're here, got a couple of these. Look at that. Pretty nice. Doesn't have that pumpkin flavor. Hold on. This is why you subscribe to this channel. It's not bad. It's a lot better than pumpkin potato chips in beer. I don't think you're going to be able to order these anywhere, especially limited edition. But barrel-aged pumpkin ale, pumpkin spice Cheerios, strangest combination. Oh, that's going to be my answer to you, Mr. Cast Iron, next time. What strange food combinations? He loves to ask people that. How about pumpkin spice Cheerios and barrel-aged pumpkin ale? Yeah. You saw it here first today. I got to get out of here before I do something else noteworthy. See you next week.